Hey Flutter developer, welcome back to the Debug code. Today we are diving into a 7 game-changing Flutter package that will skyrocket your productivity and make your app feel polished and professional. I'm sharing a list of Flutter packages that will not only save your hour of coding but also level up your app development experience. The first package on the list is Logger, the developer best friend. Instead of old school print statement, Logger give you a colorful structure log with stack track and label like debugging, info, error, etc. It helps you quickly debugging without losing your mind in the console jungle. It will separate the different type of log message in the debug console. The second package in our list is ShowcaseView. For the other feature, there are various packages and widget available in the Flutter, but for better user onboarding, ShowcaseView is an excellent package that highlight step-by-step feature guiding your user like a pro. It improves usability, readability, and give your app thoughtful onboarding flow. You can see the preview how it's look after using the ShowcaseView. You just need to wrap your widget with ShowcaseView. That's it, and it's like awesome. Third package in our list is Elegant Notification. Forget boring snack bar. Elegant Notification give you a beautiful animated and customized toast, perfect for login success, error, or app feedback, making your app feel premium. And some other feature. Designing different type of snack bar, it takes your time. Instead of that, you have used this package. It's look awesome and time consuming as well. Fourth package in our list is Dynamic Background. Every time to design a different and interactive background is difficult for everyone. Solution of this problem is Dynamic Background. Want animated, interactive, or modern based background? Use Dynamic Background to bring life to your UI. It boosts user experience with minimal code, great for onboarding or theme app that look like awesome and animated as well. You can easily use this. The next package in our list is Redacted. Want to show a loading placeholder in a clear way? Use Redacted. It creates a subtle Shimmer style UI, much better than the loading spinner. Great for loading state while keeping layout consistency. You don't need to design it manually. Just use this package. It will already detect your whole UI design. Neopop. Want a bold, trendy UI? Neopop bring vibrant 3D style button and card inspired by the new metamorphic and pop design. It's plug and play, so you skip designing custom widget. Your app look cutting edge and user will notice the flair. It look like awesome and user interactive as well. Instead of elevated button and some other button, just use the Neopop button. Last package but not the least, Awesome Dialog. Designing different type of dialog every time is boring. You have also faced this type of problem. The solution of this problem is Awesome Dialog. If you want your dialog to pop, literally Awesome Dialog give you a stunning and animated dialog, success warning, info, and all with customizable button and animation within just a simple code. Look polished, save time, and no need to build dialog from the scratch. It will display every type of dialog, info dialog, warning dialog, error dialog, success dialog, and more within a 6-7 line of code. So that's the power package lineup of Flutter package that can boost your productivity and deliver amazing UI UX fast. Which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comment down below. I'm curious to see your feedback. Until the next time, keep coding and stay awesome. Bye bye. We'll meet you in the next video.